Nice. Yeah, so dirty. Oh wow. So slippery. Oh, what the hell? It's just... Whoa. Okay, here we are in Hulda Crooks, Loma Linda. It's been like years since I've last been here. Here with my buddy Jose. It's really chilly and it's raining a lot, so I think jumps are out of the picture now. You can see how there's so many good features here.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Man, it looks so good. Yeah. These features, damn.
This one's a gap, the other one's just a
Oh, okay. I'm jealous now. You have this close to you and I have to come like an hour to get here. But it's all good. I love to dedicate time to come out here.
Yeah.
Man, there's so many ways to connect all this. It's crazy. It may take me a while to get used to the many features here. I think I've seen this briefly somewhere. Oh yeah, I've seen this. It's like a big quarter pipe or something.
Yeah. But you start from the top too. Full speed.
Oh yeah, you start from way up there and then coming down and just doing like a big ass 180 to down again. More nice little features like this. Oh, what the hell? I feel my rear tire sinking in. So slippery, man. Oh wow, look at my tire marks. And you know it's officially the dead end because the sign is right here. Alright, going down dead end. Oh shit, missed it. Felt like I was gonna slide. Man, really boring. But it's beautiful. GoPro keeps shutting off. Okay, yes, yeah. Oh wow, nice. So flowy. Yeah. Okay. So dirty. Oh my god. I could slip out at any time. Oh wow. Okay, let's continue. Oh, okay. Yeah, the little bridge. Okay. Wow. So dirty and muddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Man, this is fun. I'm guessing right here. Okay. Yes. We made it. Still a little more climbing until we get to that flag over there. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so steep. The one to the right is steep as hell, but the left one's still steep, and especially with some mud. Let's go up it. Okay. Traction is my friend right now. Okay. Hell yeah. Yes. You guys don't realize how tough it is going up against a lot of friction like mud and snow and ice. I felt that the entire time. Oh yeah. Yes, it is. Very nice. Still a nice chilly day, but at least it's not raining anymore. Okay, I've never been to this part, so... Oh, okay. I could have done that. I've just never been to this trail. Okay, it's so slippery. What's behind me? Okay. So dirty. Slippage. Okay, wow. Wow, that's crazy. I like it though. Oh wow, what the hell? Okay. So much mud everywhere. And it's crazy ass single track. Okay. Yeah. Just amazing. I gotta get used to this trail more. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Really muddy and slippery. Okay. Yes. Crazy. Okay. Man, this is so good. My God. And the mud just adds another whole level of craziness to it. Whoa. Just wasn't familiar with that roller. Oh. This is so much fun. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Nice. I might hold back on jumps today. Oh, okay. Just little ones for now. Because of the moisture. I don't want to ruin these perfect lips. Rain into my face. Yeah. Okay, another one. Nice. Love it. And then here I am doing the jumps. Okay, I'm not gonna do the big ass ones like that. I'll definitely go more ham and more into these jumps once they dry up fully. I'm just gonna roll them. Okay. Oh, this, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, maybe next time. Yeah, because I'm not gonna try it now. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. All right. I see the jump ahead, but I'm not gonna give that a try now. Man, that's a perfect lip. rain. It's going against my face too. Wow. But I love this experience, man. Wow.
So this is where the jumps start, and we're at 4 corners now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
But, oh, started pouring again.
Look at this.
Wow.
It just pours whenever it feels like it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this away. I can't see anymore. I'm not gonna hit the jump.
I'm not. Oh, you are?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm not. Oh, okay. I see how it is. I'm down to try that when it dries up. Wow. Man, and it's just so crazy that these trails exist. But I love the flow. See it. Yeah. Just chill day, nothing too crazy. I remember a jump here, but now with this moisture it might make it worse. So much moisture. Yeah, I'll try this next time. My God. Keep the lips safe, guys, from these jumps. So much pouring rain, man. I'm gonna need a hot shower after this. Oh my God. I'll follow your line. Whoa. Oh, okay, I don't want to ruin that one. Maybe this one. So good. Oh yeah. Yeah. So good. That's the end of the trail, you guys. Right? Amazing. So wet everywhere. Nice. So good. It's officially wet everywhere, but I'm glad I did it. That was good, Jose. Yeah. So wet everywhere. I think we have an orchestra band forming right here.
All right.
Yeah. Are we gonna call ourselves the MTB Orchestra or something?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.